Welcome student. Today we are discuss about the smart cities and many more aspects or relevance of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Okay. So in smart city, what is the smart means? It means quick-witted intelligence. Smart means they who have the quick intelligence, but it also acquire the knowledge or deliver the knowledge very quickly. That is called smart. And also a smart device has intelligence that makes it capable. Okay, so a smart device have to take input in smart ways also, and such as understanding of spoken words, scanning images, face recognition, gesture, fingerprint sensor, all these, and perceiving surroundings like your from the environment. It can perceive the temperature, the distance of something, and also the location of some places. All these are capable of made by the intelligent devices. It can perceive. Another one thing is process input in an innovative way and retain the and learning and using it for the future reprocessing. It gather knowledge from that and it use that data or the concept in the further processing. Another thing, to give output, it giving output and prediction in the form of its closer to human nature, such as natural language processing or spoken human language. Okay, and relevant recommendations are visual feedback and guidance, alerts, reminders. That much outputs are given by this smart product or smart device. So what is a smart city? First of all, so a city that uses information technology and other technical environment advancement. Okay, the city which is uses, like we are living in a city that is uses information technology. Where it is uses information technology? In essence, like your smart city should provide condition conducting to live in clean, healthy environment, quick access to services. Okay, and work like it is clean, your and adequate management, and also gather resources. Much more resources are there to provide you a real value for life to live in termed smart cities. It termed as smart cities. Okay, and also think of a whole city which is equipped with variety of such smart devices. When we are moving in a road, that after some distance there is a turn to left or right. So the device which we are using like your mobile, we are going for a you searches for a location in the Google map and set it for traveling. So it instruct you where is the turn to left, where to right, where to go straight, how much. So all these things are given by the artificial intelligence in your system. This is a smart device that we are uses in the smart cities also. When we are taking a cup of tea from a device, it know how much we are taking and also give that much only tea in the cup. When you put the cup in the tap or the source from the tea is got out. So when we are giving that place, taking there, it puts some tea in my cup. Only that much quantity of tea that I know, I want. Okay, so learn from me. And also this is smart city. When I am entering a house, the door is automatically opened. How water management, temperature management, all these things are in a smart city. More population. One more thing is that in smart city, that is nowadays population is growing, cities are expanding, to accommodate increasing number of people. Okay, there are no places for how to make houses in big cities. Okay, so at that also there is very much traffic in the roads. You also know about that in the different cities there are very much traffic. No places to make buildings or houses to live. Okay, so AI can prove a boon for these impending challenges in near future. Okay, where there are various services and operations that go on in an urban setup. So for traffic, for parking of vehicles, all these we are going to use artificial intelligence. Also we are nowadays we are made already AI enabled smart cars, smart nowadays there are smart toothbrush also. I already explained about this in the last videos. So navigation system is there in the your car or cab. There is a display board which navigate the roads. Okay, so all these things are NI enabled. One more thing in smart cities, traffic AI enabled traffic signals. NI enabled traffic control. Okay, NI AI enabled traffic control. So it enable traffic congestion monitoring system integrated with traffic signals for better traffic control, intelligent diversion control for incident like road construction, public rally or disaster. Like you are going but there is a close up road, like you are going to someone places and there is a blocking working your road is being constructed, so you have to go to another road, you have to divert from that road. So it is, how can you know? So there is a message which is tell you that there is a blockage of the road and you can go through different road. Okay, so this is called the smart city. If there is a rally in the road in the before you are going in the road that you are going, so there is a blockage of road, so it can be known by the artificial intelligence. Lightning and water supply also. Lighting and water supply. So in smart cities also we are giving stress on the water and lighting, water supply and lighting supply. In smart city they uses electricity. In smart city there is no without electricity we cannot use devices. Okay, so it is, there is a electricity grid, smart electricity grid which control city power distribution and load the balance depending on dynamically changing power demand. Okay, so it automatically control all the requirements and manage itself. That is called AI based or smart electricity grid. Finding patterns and trends in power consumption to assess adequate power uses. Okay, integrated security system in the grid, and also that predicts the accident due to short circuits by analyzing electricity connections, health and age data. Wherever there is a damage of your electricity wirings, so it can predict there may be a accident, so look after, so it can be replaced by a different wires, or it can be resolved before the accident. Okay, so these are called an AI enabled. Also we have the water same system can be replaced in for water also. So supply to management of how much water the families need, the need of the by the need of the family of a family, the water is supplied to that family. Okay, that much amount of water only supplied to that family. Okay, and to check water wastage, water pollution, all these things, and the source of water, so all these things is maintained by artificial intelligence applications. One more thing, in smart cities there smart peoples are living, but they have many more wastages. So they how home waste or electricity waste, many more wastage are there. So imagine dustbins we have in our homes and waste containers signaling the central waste collection unit that they are about to fill, so that waste collection can be initiated. The waste is collected and it can be stored in a single unit. These all are enabled by a artificial intelligence. Hazardous wastes like your waste detection that is harmful for the people that are living in a smart city, it can be detected and also segregated waste with the help of robot, with the help of robot or bot. Intelligent water treatment also giving intelligent water treatment, the water waste water that are treatment in a plant, which is also an AI enabled. Okay, and some areas of in some areas of areas we can improve our artificial intelligence application or use artificial intelligence applications. Okay, and also environment and pollution control, then hospitals and schools, in hospitals and schools like surgical robots we can use. Because of it is a smart city, so we have to use the surgical robots. We have diagnostic system that is a AI enabled machine. Okay, for diagnosing a disease, there is a machine which it diagnose the disease and give recommend a medicine. Okay, see, in all these smart cities there is their patients, they are smart patients also. Okay, and medical operations devices experts, post discharging advices, caring system, all these are enabled by a machine, or that machines are AI enabled. We are using centralized blood bank and donor database management, all these are equipped in a smart city also. In future we can see smart devices based patient therapy, device that will make therapy, give therapy to the patient. Okay, hospital administration, patient management, health data analysis, in all these fields we have a smart machine, we have a AI enabled machine. The huge data world help the AI system learn and gain intelligence. The different data that are gathered within the internet, the websites we are, the bloggings we are giving. Okay, many more blogs are there. We are every day, every people who are writing something, some videos are entered, some images are uploaded, all these are added data. So from this all huge amount of data from the whole world, the AI system is gain and gain intelligence, learn and get intelligence and improving own self. Okay, or this enable the AI system very strong. Okay, so thank you for today.